The other one.
Where are you? The Hulk? My toes are cold.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
What happened to the camera? Ibu, can you tell your story again?
Ibu, you jump. You jump.
Alright, I will tell you the story.
Okay.
So, back in high school in Glenbard South, one of my friends, he just came from India, like the second day in America, alright? And he's in my speech class, and so the teacher asked, you know, we had to give speeches, so the teacher's like, alright, Rafi, why don't you give her a speech? So he's sitting down, and then after she's like, oh, give your speech? She's like, no, please, I cannot do this! I cannot do this! No, please, I cannot do this! It was so funny, but it wasn't funny this time.
He's like all like pressured and thinking of what he has to say.
Yeah, no, I repeated myself once. Wait, does that make yes?
No one heard what you said anyway.
Okay, my toes are cold.
You know why? Because you wear high heels, I wear dress shoes, and I am cool and you are not. Because you're wearing a Brooklyn hoodie and we're in the Sky City. Because you be on that kryptonite freaking flying all the way down to India because you be listening to them old school Desi music because you are old school. Yo, I'm saying. This is how we roll in the Sky City on a deep town, all around town. No.
No.
Do it. Do the public song.
How did it start, Naveed?
Ugly woman.
Walking up.
Hey, you have to like record the voice. Ugly woman. Walking up and down the street. Don't wanna meet her. Saba Butler. Hey, I will do the boogie dance.
Ibu, one second.